First, we are going to detail about auditory processing disorder, APD. Overview. It is known as central auditory processing disorder. Auditory processing disorder do not recognize subtle differences between sounds in words, even when the sounds are loud and clear enough to be heard. They can also find it difficult to tell where sounds are coming from. Difficult to make sense of the order of sound. Signs and symptoms of auditory processing disorder. First symptom has difficulty processing and remembering language related tasks, but may have no trouble interpreting or recalling non-verbal environmental sounds, music, etc. Second, may processes thoughts and ideas slowly and have difficulty explaining them. Three, misspelling and mispronounces similar sounding words or omit syllables, confuses similar sounding words. Examples, some words like slurry, salary, bullet, bullet, three, free, like this, jab, job, etc. Four, may be confused by figurative language, metaphor, smiles, or misunderstand puns and jokes, interprets words too literally. Five, often is distracted by background sounds, noises. Six, finds it difficult to stay focused on or remember a verbal presentation or lecture. Seven, may misinterpret or have difficulty remembering oral directions, difficulty following directions in a series. 8, has difficulty comprehending complex sentence structure or rapid speech. 9, ignores people, especially if observed. 10, say what a lot, even when has heard much of what was said. Strategies to overcome auditory processing disorder. One, so rather than explain. 2, supplement with more indirect senses. Use visual cues, signals, handouts, manipulative. 3. Reduce or space directions. Give cues such as ready. 4. Reward or help. Decipher confusing oral or written directions. 5. Teach abstract vocabulary, word roots, synonymous, antonymous. 6. Vary pitch and tone of voice. Alter pace. Stress keywords. 7. Ask specific questions as you teach to find out if they do understand. 8. Allow them 5 to 6 seconds to respond. Think time. 9. Have the student constantly verbalize concepts, vocabulary words, rules, etc. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.